Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson.
Pass along. Please pass along the warning that our security system has been compromised by hackers. Pass along. Please pass along the warning that our security system has been compromised by hackers. Compromised. Because the king's position was compromised, he had to issue a new decree to regain control. Compromised. Because the king's position was compromised, he had to issue a new decree to regain control. Decree. After the harsh decree was announced, the leader felt contrite for the pain he caused his people. Decree. After the harsh decree was announced, the leader felt contrite for the pain he caused his people. Contrite. The contrite soldier returned to the stronghold to ask for forgiveness from his commander. Contrite. The contrite soldier returned to the stronghold to ask for forgiveness from his commander. Stronghold. He left the safety of his stronghold because he felt a deep need to make amends for his past mistakes. Stronghold. He left the safety of his stronghold because he felt a deep need to make amends for his past mistakes. Amends. While she was trying to make amends, she noticed him start to zone out and lose interest in her apology. Amends. While she was trying to make amends, she noticed him start to zone out and lose interest in her apology. Zone out. I tend to zone out during long speeches, but his words were so impactful that they held my full attention. Zone out. I tend to zone out during long speeches, but his words were so impactful that they held my full attention. Impactful. The new CEO made several impactful changes that were completely different from the style of her predecessor. Impactful. The new CEO made several impactful changes that were completely different from the style of her predecessor. Predecessor. Unlike his corrupt predecessor, the new mayor promised to turn over a new leaf and lead with honesty. Predecessor. Unlike his corrupt predecessor, the new mayor promised to turn over a new leaf and lead with honesty. Turn over a new leaf. Now that I've decided to turn over a new leaf, I want to pass along everything I've learned to help others. Turn over a new leaf. Now that I've decided to turn over a new leaf, I want to pass along everything I've learned to help others.